Hello students, in today's video we are going to continue with ratio and proportion practice set 4.3 part 4. In part 3 we have done first 3 problems from question number 4. 1, 2 and 3 we have done. Now we will be starting with fourth sum. So let's just get started with it quickly. The fourth sum. Now looking at this sum, you can see that there is componendo dividendo plus and minus. Plus and minus sign is there. So this is componendo dividendo. That means we have to do componendo dividendo only. I told you in the previous video, if there is componendo, we should do opposite, that is dividendo. And if there is dividendo, we should do componendo. But if there is componendo dividendo, then we have to do componendo dividendo only. So first we will write down what is given. This is what is given to us in the question. Now we will do componendo dividendo here. Componendo dividendo means what? Numerator plus denominator upon numerator minus denominator. So let's do that. By componendo dividendo we get numerator plus denominator. This is the numerator. This full thing is the numerator and this thing is the denominator. And componendo dividendo is numerator plus denominator upon numerator minus denominator. So that's what we do. This is numerator plus, this is my denominator, minus with minus and 4x plus 1 minus root and numerator minus. Here only one thing you have to be very careful is while writing. While writing, don't go wrong in the signs or don't miss out on any of the letters or numbers while writing. Then you will go wrong. Otherwise, it is not so difficult. Only the thing is you have to be very concentrated while writing and do not do any mistake there. Just go on doing it step by step and then you will not go wrong. So we just have to do componendo dividendo first on this ratio, both the sides of the equation. This side also, left hand side also and right hand side also. Right hand side also we do it 4 plus 1, 4 minus 1. Now next step we should be opening the brackets. Here there will be no change because plus sign is there, but in the denominator we have minus sign. So this will be minus, this will be plus. So when we open the brackets we get this. Now root x plus 3 plus root x plus 3 minus root x plus 3 will get cancelled. And here root 4x plus 1 minus root 4x plus 1 will get cancelled. Now here root 4x plus 1 plus root 4x plus 1, plus sign is there. So as I told you earlier also, x plus x, we write this as 2x, right? So same way, this number plus the same number is going to be 2 times that, right? So it's going to be 2 times root 4x plus 1 and in the denominator we will have 2 times root x plus 3. 4 plus 1 is 5 and 4 minus 1 is 3. Now 2 will get cancelled, it is divided. So we will be left with root 4x plus 1 upon root x plus 3 is equal to 5 upon 3. Now whenever it was a square, we have written taking square root on both sides. Now it is a square root. This is a square root. So we have to do opposite of square root, that is squaring both sides. So now we will say squaring both sides. We will get 4x plus 1 upon x plus 3 is equal to 25 upon 9. Squaring both sides. So this right hand side also we square. Here we get 25 upon 9. Now cross multiply 9 into this and 25 into this. Cross multiply both. 9 into 4x plus 1 is equal to 25 into x plus 3. So 9 fours are 36x plus 9 and 25x plus 25 3 is 75. 36x minus 25x is equal to 75 minus 9. So that's 11x is equal to 66. 36 minus 25 is 11. 75 minus 9 is 66. So x is equal to, this 11 is multiplied with x. It goes that side and will become division. So that's x is equal to 66 upon 11. So therefore x is equal to 6. Therefore x is equal to 6 is the solution of given equation. Let's proceed to the next sum. When you look at this particular sum right now, you feel like it should be a componendo. But you don't see anything like numerator plus denominator upon denominator. No. So this part and this part, denominator part, should have been similar. It is actually similar, but it is not written in the same form. Now this 4x square plus 12x plus 9. This is the expansion of 2x plus 3 the whole bracket square. If you expand this using the formula, I hope you remember this identity, a plus b the whole bracket square. If you expand that using this formula, a plus b the whole bracket square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. So you expand this, that will be 2x square plus 2 into 2x into 3 plus 3 square. So this is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Then that will become 4x square. 2 square is 4. So that's 4x square. 3 2s are 6 and 6 2s are 12. Plus 12x plus 9. Okay. So you realize this now, that 2x plus 3 the whole bracket square is same as this. Okay. It is just another form of that. So in place of 4x square plus 12x plus 9, we will be writing 2x plus 3 the whole bracket square. I hope everybody understood why we are writing it that way. Because it is the same thing. Using the formula a plus b the whole bracket square, we will come to know that it is just the expanded form of it. Now let's get started with it. Just write down first the given part. This is given already, the question. Now we will change the denominator. If you want, just give a reason here. Since 2x plus 3 the whole bracket square is equal to this. Now this is a componendo, plus sign is there. So we will be doing opposite of it, that is dividendo. Numerator minus denominator. This is numerator minus denominator upon denominator. Now this part will get cancelled. This is plus, this is minus. And this side also we have done dividendo. 61 minus 36 upon 36. So 2x plus 3 the whole bracket square and minus 2x plus 3 the whole bracket square will get cancelled. So we are left with this 4x plus 1 the whole bracket square, 2x plus 3 the whole bracket square is equal to 25 upon 36. Now since there is square and we want to get rid of the square, we will say taking positive square root on both sides. Square root of 25 is 5 and square root of 36 is 6. Now just cross multiply. Multiply 6 into this and multiply 5 into this. 6 into 4x plus 1 is equal to 5 into 2x plus 3. 6 4s are 24, 24x, 6 1s are 6. 5 2s are 10, 10x, 5 3s are 15. Now bring this 10x this side. 24x minus 10x is equal to 15 minus 6. So that's 14x is equal to 9. Therefore x is equal to 9 upon 14. And that's the solution. X is equal to 9 upon 14 is the solution of the given equation. This is the last sum from practice set 4.3. Here we have cube. And minus plus, we have minus plus. So first step we will just do invert into and we will try to get plus minus, because in the component we have plus minus, right? So first just try to do invert into, and now we will use componendo dividendo, that is numerator plus denominator upon numerator minus denominator. So that is what we do. This entire numerator is written there plus denominator upon numerator minus denominator. Now here, since there is a minus sign, we are putting a big bracket over here, and this side also numerator minus numerator plus denominator upon numerator minus denominator. So that's 189 plus 61, 189 minus 61. Now we will open the bracket and we'll see what all is getting cancelled. Numerator plus denominator upon numerator minus denominator. So here this part and this part is getting cut. This part and this part is getting cut. So x plus 1 the whole bracket cube has got cut. And here 3x minus 4 the whole bracket cube will get cut. Now here this we will write as 2 times 3x minus 4 the whole bracket cube, because this plus this is there, same terms, this plus this is their same terms, so 2 times we will write. So 2 times 3x minus 4 the whole bracket cube upon 2 times x plus 1 the whole bracket cube is equal to 125 upon 64. Now this 2 will get cancelled. So 3x minus 4 the whole bracket cube upon x plus 1 the whole bracket cube. Now there is a cube and we want to get rid of cube, so we will say taking cube root. If there was square, we say taking square root. So now we will say taking cube root on both sides. So here we will be getting 3x minus 4 and x plus 1, and this side we have taken cube root. So cube root of 125 is 5 and cube root of 64 is 4. Now just cross multiply. 4 into 3x minus 4 is equal to 5 into x plus 1. Multiply this 4 inside. 4 3s are 12. 12x minus 4 4s are 16. 5x plus 1 plus 5. 5x plus 5. Now bring the 5x this side, will become minus, and 16 that side will become 5 plus 16. So 12x minus 5x is equal to 5 plus 16. So that's 7x is equal to 21. Therefore x is equal to 21 upon 7. X is equal to 3. X is equal to 3 is the solution of the given equation. That's the final answer. And with this we have finished with 4.3 practice set. This practice set is new to you. You have never learnt such type of sums before. So some of you might find them very confusing in the beginning, but with practice, of course, you will start liking these kind of sums. Okay. Hope so the video was helpful to you. Thank you once again.